So we're on the beach at Nags Head, North Carolina. This is the start of the TAT. Bit of a miserable day today, but we're going to be sleeping over here tonight, and then tomorrow morning first thing we're going to hit the road.
For those who are unfamiliar, the Trans-America Trail, or TAT for short, is an adventure ride of a lifetime. The original trail is a 4,253-mile trans-continental route using the minimum of paved roads and is intended for adventure motorcyclists and 4x4 vehicles. The trail forms a large letter C shape as it crosses the country. Starting in West Virginia, it traverses North Carolina, Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, Idaho, Wyoming, South Dakota, Minnesota, and finally ending in Wisconsin.
This will look nice in summer when everything is green.
There is also the Atlantic Ocean Spur, which is a 469-mile connector from the Outer Banks of North Carolina at Nags Head to Burnsville, Virginia. The Pacific Ocean Spur connects the TAT from Emmett, Idaho to Port Orford in Oregon, which is 800 miles away. If you include the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean Spurs, the trail is 5,522 miles long. The first half of the Atlantic Ocean Spur is mainly paved road, and as the sun was setting, it was time to find a place to stop for the night. Next morning we continued our journey, and it wasn't long before we left the blacktop behind for dirt roads and started heading into the mountains. The Appalachian Mountains run in parallel lines, so we were constantly moving from national forests in the mountains to farmland in the valleys below.
The top of the peak at George Washington National Forest, and this is we're just crossing the Appalachian Trail, which comes along the ridge of the mountain over here. We're about to start heading down the other side.
Absolutely beautiful view up here.
We continued climbing the mountain, negotiating switchback after switchback. The roads were pretty good and the going was easy, although all the puddles we found were frozen, reminding us of how cold it actually was. Late afternoon we found an absolutely stunning campsite near the top of the mountain and decided we'll stop for the day.
Here's a shot of our campsite just set up. It's Christmas Eve 2021. We're up in George Washington National Forest. We had a fantastic day's drive today. We just finished the first section of the TAT.
We just completed the Atlantic Ocean Spur. While the first half was mainly blacktop, the George Washington National Forest made up for it, and we were rewarded with stunning scenery. Join us in the next video as we explore the Virginia section of the Trans-America Trail. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Also, if you'd like to see more of this type of content, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to be notified when new content is added. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.